Hello everyone, welcome to Casual Cooking's channel. We came to Luohu again. It's me and Mandy again. A netizen recommended that we go to Chaoshan Beef Hotpot. We walked from Luohu Port. Should arrive in 15 minutes. Take photos along the way. In China, Guide map is required. Very convenient. We walked from Luohu Port to Luohu Village. Should arrive in 15 minutes. This is Luohu Village. Very close to Luohu Port. Arrive in about 5 minutes. Very lively. Goose rice only costs 25. Roast pig $35 per pound. After finishing the beef hot pot, I will buy it again. This store is very famous. Their steamed chicken is famous. Yes, very famous. After finishing the hot pot, I'll buy it later. Really delicious. Many people are waiting to buy. Be careful about eating addiction. Must buy. Good. Very attractive. Very delicious. Very lively. Must come here. Across the road. How to get there? Leaving Luohu Village. Walk across the road. The exact location here is Karana Square. The destination is Lucky Cow. Very attractive. Comfortable environment. Spacious. No sense of oppression. I bought a set meal for 2-3 people to Michowan. The content is quite rich. Can satisfy the appetite of 2 people. If you eat less, you may not be able to finish the meal. This set includes beef bone soup, including fattened cows, thigh long, tender meat, tripe, sirloin, beef balls, flammulina gnocchi, cocktail, vegetable platter and fried yuba. A total of 238 renminbi. This portion is very cost-effective. Try tender meat first. Cook for 8-10 seconds and you're ready to eat. It is recommended to dip it with shoka sauce, because their soup is bland. The beef in this shop has a strong flavor. There is a surprise. No wonder many netizens recommend this store. This is Dai Long. Try it. This is my favorite part to eat. Contains fish and fat. It's my favorite part. On the other hand, its satay sauce is outstanding. Wow! Very delicious. It is comparable to the Shaoyu beef hot pot that I recommended before, but the transportation here is more convenient. Just walk from Luohu Port. This is braised beef brisket. See how it works. The brine has a rich flavor and is not too soft. Don't go to the wrong destination for isolation. Try fat cow. Really plump. Tastes good. I think it tastes better than Dai Long. Very good. You can put all the tripe into the soup. It is pre-cooked. reheated in soup and ready to eat. There is no problem if you cook it for a longer time. The same goes for beef balls. Try fried yuba. My favorite is to soak the fried yuba in the soup for a few seconds before eating it. Crispy taste, very delicious. The trap is pre-cooked and can be reheated in the soup before eating. Trap is too hard and tastes bad. The set meal includes cooked beef balls. See if its texture is elastic. The beef balls are pre-cooked and can be reheated in the soup before eating. Squirting juice. Wow! A lot of soup squirts out. Be careful to burn your mouth. Taste ordinary. The taste is not outstanding. Maybe the beef is too delicious. In comparison, I don't think beef balls are delicious. Added Zhangjiang oysters. There are 6 for $55. Size is not small. Bigger than a spoon. For the price, the size is quite large. Very good. Boil the oysters for 1 minute and eat them. The taste is a bit bland, but the texture is slippery. For this price, it is very cost-effective. Beef brisket is extra and is not included in the set meal. Try brisket butter. Cut a little thick. I like this thickness very much. It keeps the crispy texture, full of beef fat flavor. The texture is crispy and chewy. I like it very much. Must-eat baby cabbage absorbs the sweetness of the soup. The food tastes very good. How does the texture of the quail? Very delicious and smooth. Wow, because I purchased the package through Michowan, cheaper than Xiaoyu. The quality of the two stores is similar. I would choose to eat beef here. It takes 15 minutes to walk from Luohu port. This store is recommending. That ends today's video. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and press the notification button. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.